red planet in under 5 seconds. This is Trivia Forge. Let's forge some knowledge. The warm-up. Which planet is known as the red planet? Is it Venus, Mars, Jupiter, or Saturn? It is Mars. Mars appears red due to iron oxide, essentially rust on its surface. And that's how we forge another piece of knowledge. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? Was it Charles Dickens, William Shakespeare, Jane Austen, or Oscar Wilde? It was William Shakespeare. Shakespeare wrote the tragedy in the 1590s. It remains one of the most performed plays in the world. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Is it the Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, or the Arctic Ocean? It is the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific covers more than 30% of Earth's surface. It is larger than all the world's land combined. Which country is home to the Great Pyramids of Giza? Is it Mexico, Peru, Egypt, or Greece? It is Egypt. The pyramids were built over 4,500 years ago, and they remain one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. What gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? Is it oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, or hydrogen? It is carbon dioxide. Another fact freshly forged for you. Plants convert carbon dioxide into oxygen using sunlight. It is one reason forests are vital for climate balance. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Was it Vincent van Gogh, Leonardo da Vinci, Pablo Picasso, or Claude Monet? It was Leonardo da Vinci. Da Vinci began the painting around 1503. In computing, what does CPU stand for? Is it the Central Process Unit, Core Processing Utility, Central Processing Unit, or Control Program Unit? It is for Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It performs calculations millions of times per second. Which European capital is famously known as the City of Light? Is it London, Rome, Paris, or Madrid? It is Paris. The name originally referred to the city's high concentration of intellectuals, later its early adoption of gas street lighting. What is the capital city of Japan? Is it Seoul, Kyoto, Tokyo, or Beijing? It is Tokyo. Tokyo is one of the world's largest metropolitan areas. How many continents are there on Earth? There are 5, 6, 7, or 8. There are 7. The widely accepted model lists 7 continents. They range from vast Asia to icy Antarctica. You're warming up nicely, but the forge is about to get hotter. Subscribe to our channel and like the video if you are ready for the next questions. The deep dive. Let's see if you remember this one. Who developed the theory of relativity? Was it Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Nikola Tesla, or Galileo Galilei? It was Albert Einstein. Einstein published special relativity in 1905. His famous equation, E_mc², which links energy and mass. Which empire built the Colosseum in Rome? Was it the Greek Empire, Roman Empire, Ottoman Empire, or British Empire? It was the Roman Empire. Completed in 80 AD, the Colosseum could hold around 50,000 spectators. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Is it quartz, diamond, gold, or iron? It is diamond. Their hardness makes them ideal for being used as cutting tools. Which country is credited with inventing paper? Is it Egypt, China, India, or Greece? It is China. Papermaking began in China. What does the H stand for in H2O? Is it helium, hydrogen, hydroxide, or hafnium? It is hydrogen. Water is made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, yet this simple molecule is the reason life exists on Earth. Which ancient civilization developed a writing system called cuneiform? Was it the Egyptians, Mayans, Sumerians, or Romans? It was the Sumerians. Cuneiform emerged around 3400 BC in Mesopotamia. It is one of the earliest known writing systems. Which 2024 film sequel follows Paul Atreides on Arrakis? Is it Avatar, The Way of Water, Dune, Part 2, Gladiator Part 2, or The Marvels? It is Dune Part 2. The movie adapts the second half of Frank Herbert's novel. What element has the chemical symbol Fe? Is it fluorine, iron, fermium, or francium? It is iron. Fe comes from the Latin word ferrum. Which city hosted the 2024 Summer Olympics? Was it Tokyo, Paris, Los Angeles, or Rio de Janeiro? It was Paris. Paris is one of the few cities to host the Games 3 times. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Was it Marie Curie, Rosalind Franklin, Ada Lovelace, or Jane Goodall? It was Marie Curie. Marie Curie won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903. She later won another in chemistry. This one stumped 40% of our players. What is the smallest prime number? It is 0, 1, 2, or 3. It is 2. 2 is the only even prime number. every other even number can be divided by 2. Which country is both in Europe and Asia? Is it Ukraine, Georgia, Turkey, or Bulgaria? It is Turkey. Turkey straddles the Bosporus Strait. Istanbul famously sits on 2 continents. What is the name of our galaxy? Is it Andromeda, Milky Way, Sombrero, or Whirlpool? It is the Milky Way. The Milky Way contains hundreds of billions of stars, and our solar system lies in one of its spiral arms. What is the only planet in our solar system that rotates clockwise on its axis? Is it Mars, Venus, Jupiter, or Saturn? It is Venus. Known as retrograde rotation, astronomers believe a collision billions of years ago may have flipped Venus's spin. You've survived the deep dive. Now only the boss fight remains. These last 6 questions separate the novices from the trivia masters. In which year did the Berlin Wall fall? Was it in 1987, 1989, 1991, or 1993? It was in 1989. The wall fell on November 9, 1989. Its collapse symbolized the approaching end of the Cold War. What is the rare blood type known as the universal donor? Is it A, B positive, O negative, O positive, or A negative? It is O negative. O negative blood can be given to patients of any blood type. It is crucial in emergency transfusions. Which physicist proposed the uncertainty principle? Was it Niels Bohr, Werner Heisenberg, Max Planck, or Erwin Schrödinger? It was Werner Heisenberg. Proposed in 1927, it states that certain pairs of properties cannot both be precisely known. It is a cornerstone of quantum mechanics. What is the capital of Canada's largest province by area? Is it Toronto, Montreal, Ottawa, or Quebec City? It is Quebec City. Quebec City is one of the oldest European settlements in North America and the only walled city north of Mexico. Which Renaissance artist sculpted the statue of David in Florence? Was it Donatello, Michelangelo, Raphael, or Botticelli? It was Michelangelo. Completed in 5004, David stands over 17 feet tall. It represents the biblical hero before battle. What is the name of the boundary around a black hole, beyond which nothing escapes? Is it the event horizon, photon sphere, singularity, or the dark radius? It is the event horizon. The event horizon marks the point of no return. Once crossed, not even light can return. Light might not be able to reach its destination, but you did. Drop your score in the comments. Did you beat the average of 18? Next week, we're forging through new topics. Smash the like button if you learned something new. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Forge. If you liked this episode, please check the playlist as well. More is linked below. If you have any trivia suggestion, add them in the comments, and you might be featured in future episodes.